Hi there! Do you work with clients who have experienced trauma and who suffer from severe anxiety, depression, fear, extreme anger, intrusive memories, nightmares, and suicidal thoughts? For anyone who has experienced repeated, ongoing trauma, there is a risk of developing what is referred to as complex PTSD or CPTSD. This causes additional symptoms as compared to PTSD and may require slightly different or longer-lasting treatment. In general, trauma disorders can be difficult to treat. Complex PTSD can take that challenge to another level. The good news is that on September 19th, we have a special webinar with world-renowned experts in the field of complex trauma. Those experts will be speaking on the topic of complex PTSD and dissociation. During this webinar, effective treatment methods will be discussed, and you will learn new skills to help your clients heal from complex PTSD. If you cannot attend live, you can access the recording after the live presentation, as all our webinars come with a 45-day access to their recording. Signing up for this presentation is easy. Just click the link below and fill out the registration form. You will be set to go in less than 2 minutes.